Hello, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. I've been out for the majority of the day, but I did attempt to work in the studio and I had not a very good day in the studio. I think it's because I forced myself to come out here when it was too hot to work. So I gave up on that piece, blacked it all out and starting again. So I'm currently mixing my resin, which I'm using Amazing Clear Cast, and I've got 380 mils. I'm working on a painting panel wooden one, which is 16 by 20 inches. It's from Jackson's and it's a 5-pack. It's quite economical, I'd recommend it. I've made sure that my board is level. I've taped underneath to help me remove the drips. I've got my gloves on and a respirator, and I'm going to be working with these 4 pigments here, which are from the Colour Cottage, and I will be using the Midnight Black, sorry I couldn't see that, Silver Mist, Starlight Shimmer and a Copper Shimmer. I will fast forward this part for you so you don't have to watch it, but I am working in a well ventilated area. I'm going to be using a blowtorch and a heat gun today, and a little bit of love and maybe my stick. And I've got really nothing in mind. I just want to work with these colours and I just want to see what's going to happen with this creative space. So when I do start this process, I'll probably fast forward it all for you so you can see what I'm doing and the creation, but I won't do the narrative through because I just want to really get into that space. So I hope you've had an amazing day. I hope you spent time with family, and I hope you found time to be creative. Another tip, if you've not seen these, great little tip that I got, it's regarding silicone silicone cups, which you can get from Amazon and probably somewhere else. You can use these time and time again. The great thing is you just leave your resin to set in there, harden, and then you take it out the next day when it's cured, wash it out with soap water, and you can reuse again. So it reduces your imprint on the environment in the art world. I'm also using a glass measuring jug, which means I can just clean that out and reuse it time and time again. And I do have some plastic tongue depressors. The great thing with these is I've bought a pack and I'll probably never have to buy another pack ever, and I keep reusing these time and time again, just wiping them down after use. Anyway, I will see you on the other side of 3 minutes and I'll show you the colours and how I'm going to mix them. So I have just finished working on this, so I want to cover it up, but I wanted to show you while it's super wet what it's currently looking like with texture, colours, and I really love this composition. I will come back in the morning where you'll get to see the effects. I'm hoping that it's going to keep these grooves that I've got in there and that the blending will still stay the same. It's very modern, contemporary feel. So that was just using the three colours, the black, the silver, the white, and then the copper penny that's created the effect. So you can see the effects there and the tone. But I absolutely love this, and I cannot wait to show it you in the morning. Just remember, have the most wonderful day. I don't know why I'm saying that, because I'm going to be doing another video. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hi, it's morning, and I woke up and thought, yay, let's go down and see how this piece has settled, and it's more or less kept the form. These have just slightly bent to one side, but it's not really impacted the image. So let me take you, I'll give you a little shot. It's still really shiny in here, so I have to angle it, so hopefully you can see it through the reflection. Oh my god, the reflection. So we'll start to the bottom left. We'll work our way up. So that black that's in there, it's beautiful. You've got those tone, I can't speak this morning. Tiny little bit of that copper penny, going all the way through and capturing on some of these arches, which is beautiful. And you might not be able to see, but there's quite a bit of texture there. And then I'll move you, slightly to the right. And this is where we're going, and our silver is phasing through, but that copper penny, it's just stunning. It stands out and just pops beautifully, and the texture has been kept in this. Lovely. Hit you a little bit more. Get the rest of the silver, and then we phase into the white. It's just stunning how it's captured in some of these arches. I think that's the beauty of working when it's like a glitter. It rises. Yeah, so I'm really happy with this. The three colours I worked with were obviously Colour Cottage, and this is so easy to do this image, and it's quite sophisticated and quite restrained. I'm really happy with that. So it's a thumbs up from me. Remember, if you like my art on my channel, thumbs up, subscribe, share, help me get my art out there, and comments are always welcome. I'm gonna lift it up for a little bit and just see if you manage to get some better vibrancy of the colours that are in here. Oh, it's a bit hard because it's a bit big, this one. If I just, so I angle it. So you just keep seeing the roof, but the colours in here are just beautiful. Silver mist is gorgeous. Put it down because I don't think that's adding value, but yay! Have the most amazing day, and I'll see you on the next video.